Quizzes. If you click on Quiz here, you can create a quiz. Up here at the top, you can title it. You can say how many minutes you want the students to be able to have to take it. Choices for questions, multiple choice, true and false, short answer, or fill in the blank. You can add a question, or if you already have questions that you've made up, you can load the question. So I'm going to add the first question. It's going to be a multiple choice. Question 1, what color is the sky? Now, I can put an answer, blue. I can put red. I can add responses to this. Over here on the right, you can select which one is the correct answer. If you wish, you can add a link to this. You can add something from your library to this. You can say how many points a question's worth. Let's say it's worth 5. Say I want to add another question, so I select add, and I want this one to be true false. Question, Mr. McConnell is a fool. Select if you want it to be the correct answer to be true or false. This one is obviously true. If I decide later that you want to remove the question, you just hit remove and it's gone. I want this one also to be worth 5 points. Let's add another question. Let's let this one be a short answer. This is obviously not going to grade itself. Once again, you can provide a link or add something from your library. This one is worth 120 points. Extended response are important. Could also add in a fill in the blank. Oh, I'm sorry, I just changed that question, that short answer question. Let me add another question and then fill in the blank. It says use quote underscore to specify where you would like a blank to appear in the text below. So this is a fill in the quote underscore quote. I don't need the quotes, I just need the underscore. This is a fill in the underscore question. And the correct response you type in blank. Points per blank, let's say 1. Let's say 5. Total points then, let's say 5. So I could add multiple blanks to this if I wanted to. Couldn't manually change that to a 5. I clicked out of the box and it multiplies for me how many blanks there are times points per blank. Let's say I want to preview this. Is this going to be a good quiz? So I click preview and then you see what the students would see. Let's start the quiz. What color is the sky? Pretty sure it's red. I'm not going to get fooled by that. Question 2, Mr. McConnell's a fool. That is obvious. Provide a narrative of your journey. No. Question 4, this is a stupid question. Notice there's check marks besides answers that have been complete. This answer is not complete until I select another question and then it automatically fills it in. Got all check marks. I'm finished. 4 out of 4 completed. I got only less than 2 hours left. I can hit submit. Are you sure you want to? I am. And then it tells me, everyone gets excited when they get to this. You completed 4 out of 4 questions. Everyone's so jacked. I got them all right. No, I've completed the questions. Doesn't mean you answered them right. It took me 42 seconds to do this. View the results. And I missed the first one. I missed the last one. Number 2 I got right. And this one hasn't been graded yet. Extended response needs to be graded. So red are wrong, green is correct, and blue is not graded yet. So I hit end preview. If I want to assign this, this saves Every time you change something, if you look up here, it'll say updating. If I click down here, it'll say updating. Set it real quick because it doesn't take long to update that. I select Edmodo, go back to the main page. Now I want to assign this quiz, so I select quiz, load a previously created quiz, IV training. I can edit this, I can delete it, or I can assign it. If I select the name, I can assign it, select the due date, add it to the quiz grade, send it to IV training, and then hit send. So it's sitting there waiting to be done.